Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily transfer money to Cash App from your bank debit card. Cash App is a payment service app just like Venmo or PayPal and is widely accepted now in a lot of stores as well as sending and receiving money to friends or family. There are few ways now to add money to your Cash App account, but if you have a bank debit card to use, this is still the quickest way. First of all, you just have to download and open the Cash App. If you don't already have the Cash App, once you open the app, you will be at the home page. If you already have a balance in your account, this is where you would be able to send or pay. If you are requesting from another user, this is where you would send a request for funds. To start adding money to your account, tap the bank icon in the bottom left of the screen. Here at the top, you will see your Cash App balance if you have any. To start transferring the funds from your bank debit card, tap on this Add Cash. Here you can select a quick amount by one of the options or hit the three dots on the bottom right to manually enter another amount. When you have the amount entered, tap Add at the bottom. You will then be asked to link a bank using your debit card. Start by entering your debit card number. When you are done, hit Next. After that, enter your expiration, CVV or security and zip code associated with your debit card. When you are done, hit Next. You will then be asked to confirm your identity by entering your full legal name. Enter your name and then hit Next. On the next screen, enter your date of birth, then hit Next. And now you have to enter your last four digits of your social security number. Hit Next and the amount that you requested from your bank's debit card will then be moved over to Cash App. You will then see the amount in your cash balance. You can now spend the money anywhere Cash App is accepted. And that's how you transfer money from your bank debit card to your Cash App. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.